Alright, Yon World, we back with another one. Check this out. Today on my YouTube channel, I wanted to show y'all some money I got from Jamaica and go over, just the currency difference between American money and Jamaican money. So, y'all watch my videos, y'all know I went on a trip to Jamaica, right? And while I was there, one thing I had set in my mind is that I was gonna bring back some Jamaican money. Every time I go out the country, whatever country I go to, now it's like a goal to get some of their money back, just like for my own, purpose, you know what I'm saying? So right here, we got all different type of Jamaica money. Now all this different Jamaican money. Now, first bill I got right here, they got $1,000 bill, right? They got $1,000 bill, Michael Manley on here, right? And you can see on the back, they got the Jamaica house, right? I like Jamaica money, man. It's kind of like American money, it got the little security stripe on here. I don't know oh yeah, it do got the face in there, everything. So, got all the little security features, right? And this is a little green, pink looking, purple bill, right? Next we got the $500 bill, right? The $500 bill, the nanny of the maroons, right? And y'all see how that look, right? And on the back of that, we got Port Royal, right? We got Port Royal. So, piece of Jamaican history on the back of every bill, right? So that's the $500 bill. All right, we got two of those. I got two $500 bills from Jamaica, as y'all can see. So, next bill we got the $100 bill, right? We got the $100 bill with Sir Donald on that motherfucker. We got Donald on the $100 bill, Bank of Jamaica, right? As y'all can see, they got the Dunn's River Falls, right? Now this place, natural spring water, right? Natural spring water coming out the ground. If y'all ever go to Jamaica, make that your first stop, Dunn's River Falls. So y'all see, we got a $100 bill. We got a couple $100 bills with the Dunn's River Fall on the back. I'm keeping all of these bills, like little souvenirs, man. But next we got the $50 bill, right? We got $50 bill with Samuel Sharp on that motherfucker. And y'all see the seal, right? The little security seal on that. And Bank of Jamaica, y'all see that. And on the back, it got Dr. Cave Beach, right? Dr. Cave Beach. I ain't go to that beach. I went to Sunset Cove, Coral Cove, some beautiful beaches in Jamaica. But yeah, they got Dr. Cave Beach on there, right? And I got two $50 bills. Now, what I want to talk about is the currency difference, right? Now, how much money y'all think I spent, right? How much money you think I spent? Pause the video and let me know in the comments real quick. I'm about to tell you though. I'm gonna tell you the conversion, but how much money you think I spent to get, or converted for me to get all of this, right? Y'all see this 2,000 right here, right? Then we got 300 right here. Then we got another 100 right here. So this $2,400. How much money you think US, right, that it take to convert to $2,400 Jamaican, right? Let me know, right? Because the answer is only $20. 20 US dollars is equivalent to $2,400 in Jamaica, right? Now, something else I learned, it's just a little fun fact for y'all. The average Jamaican, they make $65,000 per month, right? And that's equivalent in American money to $430, right? So that's why I was down there. I was tipping a lot of the Jamaican workers, anybody that helped me with my bags, or all of the waiters and waitresses that helped me out. I was buying souvenirs from them because they really got to get out the mud. That's the thing about Jamaica, is like everything they make is off the land. Like they'll cut a tree and make a carving, make a painting, you know, or they'll sell the grapes from the trees, or you know, any type of fruit that grow, you know, they sell that. They got markets and everything, you know. But I like being exposed to other cultures just to see, you know, so you can recognize the opportunity we got. Like, even though this America, you know, they say what they want about America, but we really got an opportunity to do some shit if you apply yourself. A lot of people just like sitting on the sidelines and, you know, not doing nothing. But if you apply yourself, you can, you know, really make something in this country. So that's all I'm doing. I'm just doing my little part. But yeah, that was, you know, my Jamaican money. This is all the money I got left from Jamaica. $20. It's $20. Easy. You can easily get money converted over in Jamaica. So yeah, it's your boy Yon World. Might put a little clip at the end of this just so y'all can see where I was at in Jamaica. It's your boy. I'm out. Peace.